Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and safe. So today I am back with a new and a very interesting recipe of prawn pulao made with coconut milk. I hope you will enjoy this. Let's move on and check out how we are going to make it. So the ingredients required for prawn pulao are 2 medium-sized onions, 20 to 25 shallots, 1 kg prawns, 6 to 7 green chilies and 4 tomatoes. We have also taken 5 cups of coconut milk and 1 kg of basmati rice, which we'll be washing and soaking for around 15 to 20 minutes. To make the prawn pulao, we need to crush the green chilies along with the shallots and onions. It has to be only crushed and not ground into a fine paste. Now take a big vessel and add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil to it, and we can add some spices, 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon, a few cloves, and allow it to fry for a few seconds. Next we can add the crushed mixture of the onions and green chilies and saute well for a few minutes. Keep sauteing till the onion mixture changes its color. It has to become light brown, so keep sauteing till then. Once the onions have changed color, we can add around 3 to 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute well. Keep sauteing for a few seconds till the raw smell goes away. After sauteing for 5 to 10 minutes, we can add the prawns which we have cleaned and deveined. Mix the prawns well with the onion mixture. Let the prawns cook for a few seconds till they change the color. After the prawns have changed their color, we can add around 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Please mix gently so that the prawns do not break. Here we will not be adding chili powder because we've already added sufficient amount of green chilies. Allow the prawns to cook well for a few minutes. Next we can add the chopped tomatoes to the prawns and saute well again for around 5 to 10 minutes in medium or low flame till the tomatoes become mushy. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the mixture and saute well. Now you can see the mixture is cooking really well. The prawns have also turned soft and the tomatoes have become mushy. You can also add some curd at this point if required, but in my video I am not adding curd as I have already added 4 tomatoes. Now let's add the coconut milk which we had kept aside, which is around 5 glasses. Here we are not adding water to make the pulao, instead we are cooking it with coconut milk. After the milk comes to a boil, it's time to add the soaked rice. Now give it a quick stir. Make sure you do it gently as we don't want the rice to break. Now let the rice cook on medium flame for 5 minutes, and after that we can close the lid and allow it to cook for around 15 minutes or till the rice is fully cooked on low flame. Meanwhile, the pulao is being cooked on the other side. We will marinate the prawn heads which we have kept aside. Let's marinate it with around 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and around 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Marinate and keep it aside for around 30 to 40 minutes. Now we can deep fry this, and you can serve it as a starter or you can serve it along with the pulao. Now our pulao is done and it is ready to serve. So today's recipe was really unique, which I had learned from my mother-in-law. It is something that is not done in our daily basis or on occasions. We usually use water to cook the pulao, but here we've cooked it with coconut milk, and it really gives a rich taste to the pulao. So please do try this at your home and let me know how it came out.